In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage files in Google Drive. To get started, open Google Drive and go to your Google Drive homepage. This is the main area where you can view your files, folders, and recent activity. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand column and click on My Drive. This section is where your personal files and folders are stored, and it's the best place to begin when you want to organize your content clearly. Next, click on New. This button lets you create fresh items inside your drive, including documents, uploads, and folders. From the menu that appears, choose New Folder. You'll then be prompted to type in a name for the folder. Pick something clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to store several related files inside it. After entering the folder name, click Create. Now that your folder is ready, you can begin moving files into it. Find the file you want to organize, then click the three dots next to that file. This opens the File Options menu. From there, click Move. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose where the file should go. In that window, click on All Locations so you can browse available places in your drive. Then click on My Drive to return to the main folder area. Locate the folder you just created and click Move to place the selected file into that newly added folder. This is a simple way to keep your drive tidy and make important files easier to find later. Once your file has been moved, you can take the organization a step further by customizing the folder itself. Find the newly added folder in My Drive and click the three dots next to it. From the menu, click Organize. Here you'll see the option to choose a color for the folder. Click on a color to color code it. Color coding is especially helpful if you manage many folders at once. For example, you might use one color for work, another for school, and another for personal items. It creates a faster visual system and can save time when navigating through large amounts of content. By following this process, you can create folders, move files into the right place, and make your drive easier to manage at a glance. With just a few clicks, your storage becomes more organized, more efficient, and much easier to use every day.